Hey guys and girls, in this video we are gonna take a look at top 5 best document camera for distance learning. When we tried to find the best document camera for distance learning, we thought of getting our hands on multiple document cameras first and try them. Well, what to do then? Here are the 10 document cameras that we think are great for distance learning. Selecting the right one is not easy. In this video, we will be discussing the top 5 best document camera for distance learning. Number 1. Okiolab's OkiOcam S document camera for distance learning. Okiolab's OkiOcam S USB 2-in-1 document camera and webcam for distance learning. It is the OkiOcam S from Okiolabs. So what Model S does is that it combines the versatility of a document camera. Detachable arm and base allow flexibility of storage and use. Popular recording and video conferencing tools instantly recognizes it. Only 269 grams of weight make sure that you can carry it and teach your students easily from anywhere. Number 2. Ipivo V4K document camera for distance learning. Ipivo V4K Ultra High Definition 8MP USB document camera. The V4K beats that with its 8MP camera, generating 3264 by 2448 pixels in pictures and 30 frames per second in online streaming. Sturdy base to keep the device standing and steady as you work. It can be used for scanning images and ease of focusing without distorted images. The only drawback you'll find is that there are no written instruction manuals that come with it. Number 3. Inswan INS1 document camera for distance learning. Inswan INS1 Tiny 8MP USB document camera with autofocus. One of the major complaints students have in distance learning is that the images on the screen are not clear enough. One-touch control to adjust focus and increase/decrease brightness. Compatible with a 028mm, 031mm, 033mm, or 034mm microscope. It turns out you have to double-check on the audio settings before dictating instructions out to the students. Number 4. CZUR Shine 800A3 Pro document camera for distance learning. CZUR Shine 800A3 Pro Professional Height Adjustable Document Camera. The design comes with a 90-degree foldable stand that also features neck adjustability, so that you decide on the viewing experience aptly. Built-in LED lights that can be adjusted for maximum brightness. A high-resolution AI camera allows you to enjoy multiple color modes. Multilingual support of more than 180 languages and ultra-fast scanning ability at 1 page per second. Number 5. iCody's X3 document camera for distance learning. iCody's X3, one of the best 8MP document camera for teachers. The superior brightness of the 4 built-in LED lights that come with the rigid and sturdy camera head generates a vivid display of images for work or education after scanning. Scans diverse documents with guidance from the markings on the flat mat. The programs are so easy to navigate you might as well scan the entirety of your documents into the computer.